Lahat ng bad news, nagiging good news pag grounded ka. Ito ngayon, Paolo, who's one of my favorite human being alive because he's such a great giver, and of course, he's helping me so much in supporting people get to know who they are. So Pao, hanging around with us in the entire group for the past 5 days here in Taiwan, ano yung pinaka magandang learning mo tungkol sa buhay, tungkol sa negosyo, o siguro tungkol sa sarili mo?
Ako, Coach, napakaganda nitong Taiwan trip sa akin kasi merong good news na nangyari sa akin, Coach. Na-disable yung Facebook account ko on the second day dito sa Taiwan trip. And always, pag nagta-travel kami, lagi nila akong inaasar na, oh, ayan na si Biwit. Kasi lagi akong may meeting, lagi akong left and right kahit nasa travel. I make sure that my business is working in the Philippines and expanding more. But this trip is a little bit different for me. And siguro kung noon, yung dating Paolo, siguro worried ako, anxious ako. Talagang naghanap ako ng ways paano ko i-re-retrieve agad yung Facebook account ko. But this time around, simply dahil nagkaroon ako ng groundedness for the past 100 days, Coach. 1 hour meditation, di ko binitawan. Extreme self-care, di ko binitawan. Ang nakakatuwa, mabilis kong na-shift yung mindset ko that okay, baka kaya nangyari to dahil binibigyan ako ng opportunity to mag-spend time with the partners that we have here. Mag-spend time with my partner kasi nakasama ko siya dito, si Wendy. For my past 2 travels, hindi ko siya kasama. So, at the same time, spend time with myself. Introspect. Dahil sa sobrang daming ginagawang grind outside, baka ito naman yung time na yung grind ko naman sa sarili ko yung i-focus ko. So, by doing that, nawala yung worries, nawala yung anxieties, nakapag-focus sa present moment, and napakaraming na-accomplish here in Taiwan kahit disabled yung Facebook ko for 5 days.
So what I got from you, Paolo, is that lahat ng bad news, nagiging good news pag grounded ka, at above all, when you know that the only time you have is being present. So how about you? Lahat ba ng bad news mo, bad news? Or pwede mong gawin lahat ng bad news, best news ever?